The miracle of this is about a woman who had a brain hemorrhage. The it I'm referring to, well, I like to call it the time my head blew up. Not overly snappy, but it beats. I spent 4 years in New Mexico and all I got was a lousy brain hemorrhage. And recovers from her brain hemorrhage. And my disability, cerebral palsy, some of the could have been caused, the speech or the gait that I walk with, could have also been caused by a brain hemorrhage. They told me I need to work harder, not to be so hard on myself. They told me that I because knew that I would need to accept my limitations. They said, take one more test, just one more time, they give it one more shot. But no one ever told me what went on inside my head. I read the play and it was truly a magic moment. That's I went, oh my gosh, I have to do this show. I think the best compliment she can get is another person who said, I was waiting for you to start acting. Anyone who comes to you talking about SuperFun diet, get the hell out of there. SpongeBob SquarePants, infinitely more enjoyable on morphine. My goal is for audiences not to think that I'm acting, but that this really happened to me.